Okay, so I've already started working on the car, but let's start out by reviewing what we have for the wide body. So we got our fenders, we got the front bumper, and we got the fender flares for the rear fenders, and we got some side skirts. It's kind of dark. So with the stock front bumper, when you remove the black trim, why is it blurry? There we go. So when you remove the black trim, there's these 4 nuts that come off. And you can see in this stock one right here, where the holes go after you remove the trim. But I don't know what I'm going to do with the new wide body front bumper, because as you can see here, there are no holes or trim to take off. I might have to drill it, but I really don't want to do that. I don't really know how to fasten it. I guess I'll figure that out later. For the rear of the car, I haven't removed the rear bumper before, so I'll have to figure that out. We'll probably have to remove some of these screws though. See that there are some screws missing. It's a little bit concerning. I think we're gonna have to cut the rears. Let me get the bumper. Let me get the flares and just see what it looks like. Just pick it up. So these are super light. They're fiberglass, I think. Fiberglass with plastic coating. They're super light. So I believe that goes on here like this. Oh, you can't really see it. No, this is for the other side. Alright, so this is the right side. So I guess it goes into the, I got my jack pad thing in the way, but I guess I'll probably have to tape this on at some point. I might have someone else do it because I don't have the tools to cut it, so I might just pay someone else to do it. This rubber is holding it on that goes around the grills. There we go. It's off. The other side was like this too. There, it's loose now. So this is pretty loose fitting. I just have it on with friction right now just to kind of see what it looks like. I'm gonna have to drill out the tow hook. It won't slide on all the way. Right now it's just supported by the kidney grill rubbers. At least the bumper is. I'm gonna have to find a way to support this. So on the top of this fender here, we have these like pre-cut or pre-marked areas where the holes are that I need to drill. Just the ones that I just took out. Look how much larger the fenders are than they used to be. Definitely need new wheels to fit with the kit. But I think it looks really nice. Might have to paint this black just to match with the trim, right? I don't have to actually take the trim off. I'm gonna paint this white. I'm gonna paint it myself. I painted this bumper too, my old M3 bumper, and it looks fine. Yeah, DTMFiberWerkz kit. This was originally part of a larger video that included the removal of the front bumper, the hood, the fenders, and some strip screws that we encountered along the way. Do you have an E36? Did you find this video helpful? If so, like and subscribe. New videos are uploaded every Tuesday.